with such a small area, the hardest thing, first of all, to dry is going to be that concrete. And that's underneath here is going to be even harder because you have surface on there. So we're always faced with the question, do you remove the pad? Do you leave it in? How about the carpeting? Generally speaking, on a Category 1 flood, this is a clean water flood, we're going to dry it in place. And the reason why is because we can pull out most of the moisture with high levels of air movement and dehumidification, forced dehumidification. If this is a Category 2 or 3, meaning it's not clean water, then the carpet and pad would probably come out. Definitely on a Category 3. Most of the time on a Category 2, the pad's coming out and the carpeting. So, with all that said, there's no extraction required on this one because there's no standing water. It's not squishy, it's just wet. And it's not even really super wet, it's just not puddled at all. It's just into the pad enough to make it wet.